Hi there, Prairie Plant Girl here. So I used up my last jar of homemade pasta sauce the other day. Luckily, I had lots of tomatoes and onions and garlic and peppers and all that good stuff still put away from my harvest last summer. So I'm making up a new batch. It's really nice to have those things this time of year. You know, it's February. It's cold outside here in Saskatchewan, Canada. It's the perfect time. I have a lot more time in the winter to be making up batches of pasta sauce than I do at the end of summer when we're trying to quickly bring in the harvest and process everything. So, you know, that's another reason to do things like just, you know, cleaning, washing, de-stemming, taking off any blemishes from your tomatoes. Just throw them in a Ziploc bag, pop them in the freezer. Then they're there for later. Same thing with your peppers. I have videos about that. Just, you know, you can core them and slice them if you want. You can freeze them whole. Just put them in some bags or containers. Get as much air out as you can. And freeze them, and you have them for later. You know, your garlic, nice cool dark place. Onions, cool dark place. Store them. And then when you have time in the winter, you can pull all that stuff out and start cooking again. So this is what I'm making. I've chopped up some garlic, some onion, put it in here just to kind of sweat down a little bit with some olive oil. Then I took about a cup and a half, probably a cup of sweet peppers that were just sliced. Added those in. I had 3 small jalapenos. I just took the stems off, threw them in. All of that was from my garden last year, except the olive oil, obviously. And I just cooked that all down so it was softened up a little bit. And I took my immersion blender and I just took it down to pretty creamy texture. My husband and kids don't really like to have the texture and the big chunks of onions and peppers and things, garlic in their food, so it's a good way to get rid of that. And then I just took the tomatoes that were frozen, I took them out, so you can thaw them out, put them under running water, and the skins will pop right off. Drain them a little bit, and then just throw them in. I'll cook this down for a little bit, put the immersion blender over it. I won't take it quite as fine now at the tomato stage as I did with the rest. But I'll just take the chunks out because I didn't cut the tomatoes up at all. And I'll add in just a little bit of basil and oregano, a little bit of salt, and I may need some tomato paste, canned tomato paste, just to thicken it up at the end. We'll see how that goes. And then I'm just going to put it in these little freezer jars. I think these are Ball or Bernardin brand. They work great. They just screw the tops on, they stack together, and they freeze really well. And then it's easy to just pop them out and have them ready whenever you need some pasta sauce. So I'll show you at the end how that all goes. Do you make your own pasta sauce? Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Bye.